Greetings my Vamps, and welcome back to Ivanafacepaint. So about a month ago, I did a Link tutorial from OCARINA of Time. So today it only feels right that I finally turned myself into Zelda. And I'm not gonna do the weird chin thing that I did with Link because it made it look super goofy. Zelda it is. We're just gonna jump right into this one. I mean, might as well, right? So to get started, I'm gonna take my lip ring out, put some primer on, and cover my eyebrows. Okay, now that I've got all that done, I'm going to cover myself in clown white paint. Okay, I only brought the white down to here because there's going to be clothes painted on for the rest of it, so no need to add the white all the way down. So now I need to try to get Zelda's skin tone, which she has more of like a pinkish color to her skin. She has more of a pinkish color to her skin, unlike Link, he had more of like a yellow tone. So, to get her skin tone, I'm gonna start with my light powder foundation. Okay, now that I've got my light powder on, I'm going to start adding a little bit of pink blush. So now I'm going to even myself out with some more light powder, and then I'm going to take my actual skin tone powder and kind of start adding that into places and contouring a little bit, and then a touch of darker powder for my cheeks and stuff. We're just winging it at this point. Now I'm going to start trying to contour and shape my face just a little bit more like hers. And I'm going to do that using eyeshadow. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyebrows. And I'm gonna do that using water-based paint. She definitely has some really odd shaped eyebrows, but that's what they're like. Okay, that looks about right. Now I'm going to do a little bit more contouring. Now that I've got my face done for the most part, I'm going to go ahead and start painting on the clothes. I'm just going to skip around a little bit, helps me figure out what I need to do next. Now that I've got the main part of the clothes painted on, I'm going to start shading with eyeshadow, and I'm going to add some highlights with white paint. Alright, well I got my body painted, so I think that that's basically it. I'm gonna go put some contacts in, do my eyeliner and mascara, put my wig on and some fake ears on, and I'll be back to show you all the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I think it actually turned out pretty decent. My ears are poking out a little more intensely than I'd like, but they're not actually attached to my ears. They're just wedged into this wig. So that's the best I could do, guys. Yeah, this one was a lot of fun to make. I like doing video game characters a lot, especially my favorites. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you subscribe so you can keep up with what I'm doing. And as always, if you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know that in the comments. I'll catch you Vamps on the next video. Link, hey! Oh wait, the little fairy says hey. Link, save me!